Today I'm in my office, but we're not going to talk about any particular space in the home today. We're actually going to talk about organizing our time. So there's all of these different things happening, especially, as a wife, as a mother, as a business owner, that can make us feel like our time is being pulled in a million different directions at the same time. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I do to help simplify that and organize my time for me so I know where I need to be and what I need to be focusing on. So in our home, we actually have these two glass calendars, and we keep the current month and then the following month up at the same time so we can kind of get a visual perspective. I do put a lot of things in my phone. I put a lot of reminders, and I've got that there in my phone, but I think that visually it's important to have a place where the whole family can see what's going on. All of my kids have a color code as well. So all of their activities are written in the same color, so they can walk in here and see, oh, I have baseball today, I need to get my baseball stuff together, or I've got ice skating today, I need to pull that stuff together, and then we're not looking for it last minute. I also think it's really important to have days that are focus days where you just focus on the things that really need to get done without any other distractions. You've prepared everything that needs to happen. For example, you could record 3 days of content in one day and then schedule them to be posted. Or it's also important to have free days, days that you kind of take to rejuvenate and rest so that you can be more effective on the days that you're focusing on the things that need to get done. So when June is over, we're actually just going to clear this and we'll have July and August at that point. So I'm going to walk you just through, this is my office space. So my husband works right here and I work right here. And not only do we get to raise our family together and take care of our home together, we get to build our business together, which is really amazing, but also it can be challenging unless we're on the same page. So each morning during the week, we have a 10-minute planning meeting, and we kind of just go over the things that need to be happening in our home and the things that need to be happening in our business. And we'll make that list, write it down so that we don't miss anything, and then we go through and we put an initial next to the activity so we know who's going to be doing that. And this just kind of builds in a safety net, so I'm not frustrated wondering what in the world he's been doing all day. I know what he's been doing and he knows what I've been doing. Also, no kids get forgotten to be picked up or dropped off because we thought the other parent was doing it. I don't know if any of you guys have ever been in that situation, but this just kind of keeps it really clear. We also can look at what things can be delegated or hired out or passed on to somebody that we work with, and that just creates a really smooth process. So remember this week, you guys, this is not about perfection. This is about making progress to live a more organized and structured life that allows you to have a little bit more peace and allows you to really live fully in the moment because you're not worrying about all of the other things that have to be going on.